Substituting numbers into a formula. You don't need any new knowledge for this, so you can pause the video and have a go at example 11 and 12. Example 11. If A equals 2B minus CD, find A. When B equals 7, C equals 3, and D equals 4. So we have the formula that A equals 2B, but we're told that B is 7, so we can substitute or change the B to be 7. That's A equals 2B minus CD. So we can change the C to be 3 and the D to be 4. Sometimes you can get away with substituting the numbers in without using these brackets, which I've got here. However, this is just quite a nice way to see how the B, the C, and the D has been replaced, and it helps us for working with negative numbers as well. So I would recommend putting them in. When we have a number like 2 and 7 beside each other with the bracket, just like 2B, it would mean 2 times 7. And it would mean C times D, so it will mean 3 times 4. So 2 times 7 is 14, 3 times 4 is 12, and then 14 minus 12 gives us 2. Example 12. If V equals F brackets G plus H, find V. When F equals 6, G equals 5, and H equals 4. So we read out the formula again, but we substitute or exchange the letters for the values that they give us in the question. So instead of F, we'll use 6, G will use 5, and H we will use 4. So we have 6, G is 5, and H is 4. You can see there in this example, I haven't used any brackets, and that's fine for the numbers, but I would say later on if there's negative numbers, it's recommended. Or if you've got letters beside each other, it's also useful. Here, the numbers are all on their own, the letters are all on their own, so it's not really required to have brackets. You'll hopefully build up an idea of when they're useful. So we do the brackets first, which will be the 5 plus the 4, which gives us 9. And then we can do 6 times 9, because the numbers are beside each other. That means multiply. So 6 9s are 54. You can pause the video and have a go again there at example 13 and 14 before I go through it. Example 13. If L equals B minus C plus 3D, find L. When B equals minus 2, C equals minus 3, and D equals minus 4. So L equals, we substitute B to be minus 2. Take away C, we substitute C to be minus 3. Plus 3D, we substitute D to be minus 4. I'd recommend not doing any calculations at all. You'll get the method mark usually for putting in the correct values into the correct equation. So don't try and work anything out or be clever. Just literally change the B to be minus 2, the C to be minus 3, and the D to be minus 4. So what do we have? We've got L equals minus 2. We're going to take away minus 3. If you take away a negative, that means you add it on. And then we're going to add on 3 times minus 4. Remember, when they're together, it means multiply. So it's not 3 take away minus 4. It's 3 multiplied by minus 4. Because remember, when we see it here, it's 3D, which means 3 times D. So it's 3 times minus 4. 3 times minus 4 is minus 12. And then we've got minus 2 plus 3 is 1. And 1 take away 12 is minus 11. Example 14. If V equals FG minus 2H, find V when F equals minus 3, G equals minus 7, and H equals minus 5. Rewrite the equation or the formula, but substitute in the values for F, minus 3, G, minus 7, and H, minus 5. What do we do with the minus 3 and the minus 7? Well, fg means f times g, so we have minus 3 times minus 7, which is positive 21. And then we've got minus 2h, so that's minus 2 times h, so minus 2 times minus 5. And minus 2 times minus 5 is positive 10. 21 plus 10 is 31.